Yeah, let's go.
Alright guys, today we're out here at Beech. We are going to be racing the 2018 Kia Stinger GT2 all-wheel drive. Let's see what kind of times we can get today. I doubt we're going to break any records, but let's give it a freaking go. Alright guys, so I just made my first pass and the girlfriend is about to do her first pass in the Kia Stinger, so let's see what she can do. Alright, so it looks like she just ran a 13.1 at 106.75, and what I ran was a 13.095 at a 106.92. I got her. Love her, but I got her this time. Let's keep it going.
I don't like watching. My left foot, I can't.
How did you like the overall experience of drag racing though?
It's weird, I want something faster. My reaction time was crap.
So there you just heard it. She wants something faster. But anyway, I did get her this time though. I got her. So until next run. guys, so I just ran for the, I don't know, third or fourth time. This is the best one yet. Reaction time of a .385 at a 13.156 and a 106.72, which is right there. So that's the best run of the day. She's about to go one more time, and then we're gonna go ahead and head home for the day. Alright guys, what's going on? So today is the next day. I didn't get a chance to finish this video yesterday, but I just wanted to go over some of the times really quick all together. So looking at these runs on the Kia Stinger. So funny enough, my best time of the day was the very first run that I've ever done on the drag strip, which was a 13.095 at 106.92, and my reaction time was a .423. So clearly could have been in the 12s, but I didn't have the greatest reaction time. First time ever being on a drag strip, so we'll have improvements over time. So second run of the day for me was a .952 reaction time at a quarter mile of 13.239 at 107.02. So that was the highest speed I had. And then the last run of the day, my reaction time got a little better at .385. Still room to improve for sure, obviously. And then a 13.156, which was my second best run, at 106.72. So, you know, not bad runs. So these were my runs. And then let me go grab the girlfriend's runs and let's go over those in comparison. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I have her times in front of me. So her first run of the day was actually her fastest as well. So she had a 13.101 with a .673 reaction time. So reaction time was not great. And 106.75 was the trap speed at the quarter. Her second run of the day was a .715 reaction time. Still not great. 13.249 for the quarter and 106.5 for the speed. And then the last run of the day for her was a .642 reaction time, which was better than her first two. 13.217 for the quarter and 106.65 for the speed. So this was her very first time being on the drag strip as well as mine. So obviously there's only room for improvement, but this is a good baseline. So a few things to note. So the car had about 3/4 tank full of gas. So a lot of forums that I read for the Kia Stinger, these guys that are getting it in the 12.4, 12.5 range are running, you know, a quarter tank or less, which obviously you generally want the car to be lighter, so it makes 100% sense. We just so happened to decide to do this last minute, not saying we're going to burn them through a whole tank of gas. So to get a serious, you know, good time, we can do that, as well as the tire pressure was right around 35 to 36 on all the tires. Just because the other day we had a tire sensor issue, and so they told me to leave it at that for just the next few days, and then I can lower it again. So that's definitely something that could potentially help as well, which isn't as big of a deal because it's all-wheel drive opposed to, you know, just rear wheel, where the tire pressure really matters to get that traction. I didn't really have any wheel spin. So the fastest time of the day was my second run, not time, speed, sorry. The fastest speed was the second run of the day at 107.02, and that was without launch control. That was just, you know, smash the throttle as soon as the light, well, third yellow. That was when I smashed it. But it's the matter of learning the car as well, for how much delay there is from the time you smash it to the time it's actually going. So I'll get better at it. It'll take time. This was the last event this season, so I'm going to have to wait until next spring to take the car back. But once again, good time. Hopefully you guys enjoy the content, and I'll continue to make more videos with the Stinger if we don't get something new. It's hard to say. But overall, great car. You wouldn't believe how many people wanted to see it run yesterday. I mean, every single person would stop what they were doing to see this car run for the most part, because no one knew what it was. Even the announcer was like, some sort of Kia? It's called a Stinger? So they had no idea, and they were also very impressed with the times that it was running. So anyway, that being said, as always, please like, please subscribe, help me hit the 1,000 subscribers so I can continue to make this content for you guys. And as always, have a great day. These are my 3-time slips. And these are her 3-time slips.